Hello guys, today I will show you how you can set up your iPad into your car, your old car. So this is i20 Sports 2012 model, and if you can see, this is a music system, and I have attached the iPad here, so working attached. Okay, and see, now the beauty of this setting is uh, let me go back and show you what I have done here. So I just pull it off, okay, and you'll find the original CD player and music system is as it is, no cuts, nothing, only two kind of this slick kind of strips I have. It's aluminum strips, very lightweight, that I have inserted inside this player. So first you have to take it off this entire thing, and you can take it off this CD player, and inside that you will find a place. Once you see that, you will find this place. It's just an simple strip you will find in any automobile shop or car decor shop. You can go and just ask, okay, you want to do this way, they will help you guys. Okay, it will just take like 15 minutes. Okay, and then like this, you can go and just insert your settings here quickly. And this is what I have. It's done. It's fine, and I can rotate, right? So basically you have to buy one uh, kind of your iPad cover. Okay, so this is my old cover. Okay, and this is the another cover that can help me to do this settings. So basically you will find around 400 rupees cover for iPad, and now you can use this cover, okay, with these strips, okay, to setting up your uh, digital info system in your older car. So this going back, okay, this way, easy, not an hassle, nothing, and it's done. Simple. You can take it out whenever you want. Even you can take it out your iPad. Okay, so let me show you that. So simply you can pull up, yeah, and your iPad will be out. So this is what my iPad is. Okay, and this is your cover, right? Yeah, that's it. So this if you want any assistant for this, let me know. It is easy. Okay, you just need to have idea what you need to do, and you will be good. Okay, yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Please write down your comments and your thoughts, how you can convert your old infotech system into a digital app kind of. And okay, a nice day guys, bye.